Deal with Vladimir Putin. This issue of hypocrisy comes up, and the United Nations spoke of this week. The United Nations pointedly criticized the U.S.'s human rights record over drone strikes, NSA surveillance, the death penalty. Does it make it hard to deal with the likes of Putin and Lavrov when you've got the UN criticizing the U.S. that way?
Listen, there are plenty of imperfections in every government of every nation, but look at what we have here. Putin, this is I think the single most serious act of aggression since the Cold War. He ended up the final ceremony at the Sochi Olympics, which are network covered, trying to make a charm offensive for the world that this is a modern Russian nation. And within hours, he's invading one of his neighbors, sending the same troops that were protecting the athletes at Sochi into the Crimea. Now, are we going to stand by and say this is acceptable conduct? Because this isn't the end of his ambition. He'll go as far as we let him go.
But how do you change the calculation? Well, that's what I still don't see.
Speaking of the UN, what's important is what happened yesterday.